Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. There is no question of overpopulation. This is a false theory. If God can create, He can maintain also. And actually this is the fact. I am traveling all over the world. There are so much vacant places upon the surface of the globe that the 10 times more than the present population can be easily maintained. But we do not know how to use it. In Africa, in Australia, in your America, there is enough land still lying. But because we have encroached upon the land of Krishna, the difficulty is there. China is overpopulated, India is overpopulated. But if we take to Krishna consciousness, these difficulties will be over within a second. Krishna consciousness means to take everything Krishna's. I am also Krishna's. That is Krishna consciousness. Actually that is fact. Everything Krishna means God. Everything belongs to God. I also belong to God. Ishavasam idam sarvam. Everything belongs to God. That's the fact. But we do not accept the fact. We take something illusory. Therefore it is called Maya. Just like the Americans, they are claiming this land is for the American group. Similarly, other nations, but the land actually belongs to God. The land, the sky, the water, and the products in the land, in the sky, in the water, everything belongs to God. And we are children of God. We have got the right to live at the expense of Father, just like we live, small children. They live at the cost of Father. Similarly, we also live by the arrangement of God. Why should we claim that this is our property? This is the idea of spiritual communism. In Bhagavad, these things are stated, how to feel spiritual communism. In the spiritual communism, the present communists, they are thinking of the human being only. And the animals are being sent to the slaughterhouse. Although the human being and the animal is born in the same land, actually they are also nationals. National means one is born in that particular land. So why not these animals national? But because they have no Krishna consciousness, they cannot think so broadly. They think nationalism means it is limited to the human being, not to the animals, not to the trees. But when you become Krishna conscious, you understand that the trees, the plants, the reptiles, the aquatics, the human being, the beast, everyone, each and every one, part and parcel of God. According to their karma, they have got different bodies. The color, as I explained. According to the karanam gunasanga asya sadasat janma jonishu. These things are described in the Bhagavad Gita. One has got a different type of body according to his karma. Karmana daiva netrena jantar deho upapattai. By karma we create next body. So this is a great science. People do not know how things are taking place, how there are so many species of life, how one is so-called happy, or so-called distressed, why one is rich, one is poor, why there are so many planets, why some of them are demigods, and some of them are human beings, some of them are animals. It is a great science, but there is no cultivation of this knowledge in the modern universities or educational institutions. Perhaps we are the only group of men we are trying to propagate this science of Krishna consciousness. But it is a perfect science to understand the position. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare